Hi folks, this is part 2. Now last part you seen was part 3. No, this is part 4. Okay, I get confused. Last was in part 3, and that was myth of the American middle class. We do not manufacture, we do not grow things. We are a factory of non-precision and stuff. Okay, sorry, it's late at night. Understand this very carefully. And a lot of people, they don't understand this. All right? There is no middle class in America. There's poor, stupid, and then rich. The poor, they're stuck there. They're going to be poor for the rest of their lives. Stupid thinks that they're middle class. They're not. Okay? You're in the in-between lands between dirt poor hillbilly time and the fake rich. And then beyond that is billionaires and millionaires. You'll never make it. Why? Because you're stupid. That's why I don't say middle class anymore. I just call them stupid. Okay? Rules have changed. Economic warfare, this number, is it 3 or 4? 4. Okay, rules have changed. There's no such thing as middle class. We're in economic warfare. Somebody says, I'm middle class, I'm retired. You kick them in the nuts. Okay, or nads, sorry. This is the pirate kingdom. All right, until 2030. Then everything settles down and back to normal. Okay? First thing is stop doing infrastructure. That's the most stupidest thing on earth. Okay? There is the myth of middle class. There's no middle class. No infrastructure. It's all a lie. Somebody says that it's a great infrastructure program. You go up to them and you kick them in the neck, tell the truth. Okay? A lot of these infrastructure projects never get off the ground, like the flying car. At least it's not blood. Okay. In the past days, it was 2,500 in red states, 4,800 in the blue states. This is pre-you-know-who, Captain Crazy days. Today, all states, all 58 states and territories, you need $5,000. That's loose cash, hard currency. Credit cards, ATMs don't count. And we'll go into the banking, all right? ATMs, debit cards don't work on bank runs, EMTs, bank closures. No power means no cash. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Leverage. Banking is different. Now, Beam Me Up Scotty has a great playlist. You should watch it. Banking is a whole different animal. And a lot of people in the middle class during from 1948 to 1968 goofed it up badly. Really bad. Okay? So did a lot of Democrats that we'll do the Peter and Paul principle, and steal everybody's Social Security. Right now, if the Democrats and Republicans hadn't robbed Social Security and Medicare and a lot of other things, we wouldn't have this problem. We would be all right. We could ride this out. But they robbed us so much, it's close to $3 quadrillion. Okay? That means everybody, including the thieves, has to pay minimum of $75 million for the rest of your life. When you wake up born, you have to pay that debt. And you have a 25% interest on top of that. Okay? They did something wrong. Very wrong. If I see another Democrat sprout up promises yelling, where's our money? They don't have money. They have lies. They have a lot of lies. Okay, that's from both parties. Okay, you want $30,000. It used to be $10,000, but the way inflation is going, it's going bad. Do not get any fancy. You look at the guy and they give you like, you get compound interest. Fine. You kick him in the nads and give a compound rabbit punch in the head. Don't care if it's a woman or a man. You grab them in the headlock and you beat them several times. Okay? You want $30,000 in a passport account. This is for collateral, for leverage. This helps out. You don't get check fees or card fees on it. Check your bank if they're up to par. Federal government's been slacking off a lot. I count 50 years of slacking off. Smoking dope, jerking off in the corner. All right? Don't touch it, stupid. You don't have that money anymore. It transported from hard cash to electronic digits. Okay? I tell anybody, if you don't understand this, all right, try to take out $10,000 out of your bank, cash. No bank has $10,000. Okay? Because Uncle Alan knows how much money they do have in reality. And you're wondering, does money in the bank? No. Does Uncle Alan need to use this many times on your nads and maybe your head? Okay. Economic warfare, number 4. Okay. Every stupid American is in debt, 98%. But I don't have any debt. That's what you think. You're already in debt. But I'm debt free. No, you're not. I keep telling this people, inflation's one form of debt. Taxation's another form of debt. If I go down everything, do you know how much you owe the government right now? $25 million. That includes your kids. But he's only 2. He owes $25 million. When he gets old enough, he can pay the interest. I'm too old. I'm too sick. I'm too stupid. Debt doesn't care. Debt comes around and stomps on your nads. If you make an excuse, they don't care. They'll stomp on you again. You make a Spartan rep, they don't care. It's debt. Boom. Okay? So you got that money in the bank. You can't touch it. Okay, this year, you're probably unemployed or find a job. Because those checks, those $1,400, they're going to come back and bite you. Already it's doing havoc. Even if it's a crappy job, get it and get that same amount. Twice as the amount. This is what I warn people. Okay? Economic warfare number 4. Okay? It's not your money. You have to understand and play the game right. Okay? You have to get a job that pays well. Manufacturing, producing, farming, whatever, that makes money. If you're not making money, you're not doing it right. Okay? And I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day.